How to get a Taurus man to chase you. 4 super tricks to get the Taurus man to notice you. Do you really need to know how to get a Taurus man to chase you? You're in real luck then with this one. This was put together so you would have the tips and tricks you need to finally break through and get that man's attention for yourself. Warning: Cancer, Virgo, Capricorn, and Pisces generally go well with the Taurus man. The least compatible signs are Leo and Aquarius. So if you're one of the former 2 signs or fall under another sign, it may be difficult for you to start with your Taurus man, or require a lot of compromising to make it work in the long term. Trick number 1, become a chaser. You need to realize that the Taurus man will not be proactive in going after you. You need to be the one going after him. The Taurus is normally happy doing his own thing and doesn't like to disturb others. The man also can be shy. You should do things like introduce yourself, make small talk, and ask them if they would like to go for coffee or something. Trick number 2, be patient. These men can take a while to finally get into you. They will need to see that you are dependable and stable. You can show this by communicating with them on a regular basis and doing things with them often. This will allow them to build trust in you. Once they see you are sticking around and are reliable, then you can win his heart over. This can really help you out a lot to solve how to get a Taurus man to chase you. Trick number 3, have your act together. You need to dress nicely and be confident in yourself. They want to know that if needed, you can hold your own. They will help where needed, but ultimately, they want to know that you are your own person and don't need them. Be tidy and organized to grab their attention. When these men see you, they are taking in all your physical details. You want to be put together from head to toe. You need to have your own goals and things going on. This is one way to achieve how to get a Taurus man to notice you. Trick number 4, just be lovable. You need to come across friendly, helpful, and thoughtful. Just being a sweet person in general will have them thinking of you in a special way. Once they associate positive feelings with you, it will be easier for them to think of you in a romantic way down the line. Tricks like this can help you figure out exactly how to get a Taurus man to chase you. These tricks can definitely get you closer to getting that man of your dreams. But wouldn't you like to know how to keep him chasing and going after you for the long term? Wouldn't you like to get his love and devotion for life? Click the link in the description to unlock the secrets to get that man that you love to love you forever.